6 months back, I made a simple statement that I want to learn Sanskrit from this course. It comes from a very tortuous experience with learning Sanskrit, which extends over a period of 35 years, where I was attempting to learn Sanskrit on my own and without success. Whatever I tried, I used to go to Amazon.com and look for the best reviews. It said that this is the best book and you will learn Sanskrit out of it. And all those books try to teach you Sanskrit the way the English grammar is structured. So much so that you always are looking out for parallels, and in the process, you get lost and you get bored and you end up not learning Sanskrit. And I spent 35 years, I'm deeply into Vedanta, and I read the Upanishads, the commentaries in English translation. My simple wish was to be able to read and understand those shlokas myself. This was my simple wish, and this was the motivation for learning Sanskrit. And for 35 years, I was not successful. As luck would have it, there are participants in this course who came across this course at the age of 25. It was my luck that I came across this course when I was close to the age of 70. And this was an absolute marvel. To put it simply, don't get me wrong, it is not a simple course. It is not a simple course, but it teaches you Sanskrit the way it should be taught. The entire superstructure of Sanskrit is built by what is called as Panini's Ashtadhyayi Sutras. There are 4,000 sutras, and out of them, Sridharji, our guru, has picked up 200 sutras which sort of entirely explain the language Sanskrit to a newcomer. So it is not trying to learn Sanskrit in the framework of some other language like English or whatever else. It is learning Sanskrit through the way Panini built it, through his sutras. After the initial 2 or 3 classes, my friends, I promise you the going will get very difficult. And as it gets difficult, it will also get extremely interesting. I would request you all to be very patient. Sridharji is the best guru, unimaginably best guru, in the sense that I have never seen a person with greater patience in my life. And in 70 years, I have seen a lot of people. In the sense that all of us used to, you ask him whatever query you have, you just raise it. Not even the slightest worry that you may be asking a stupid question. Because as Sridharji says, there are no stupid questions in this world. There can only be stupid answers. So we used to sort of ask so many questions, and he used to so patiently answer them that in 6 months' time, you will find that you have a totally different appreciation of Sanskrit. And looking back, and you really get a feeling that you have learned Sanskrit. And of course, it doesn't mean that you can start writing kavyas and things like that. You still have a long way to go. But you will certainly get the feeling that you have learned Sanskrit. And from here on, I can take my learning on my own. Sridharji will sort of handhold you till that point of time. Now, a few words of advice. When the classes are going on, I would suggest that you don't even try to take notes. You just listen to him carefully. Whatever doubts come to you, just ask them, raise your hand, and he will give you an opportunity to ask the question, and he will answer them patiently. Within a day or 2 of the class, you will get the recording of the class. I would suggest if the class gets over on Saturday or Sunday, in Monday or Tuesday itself, you go through the recording and write down your notes. Sridharji will be using PowerPoint presentations, but they are only hooks on which he will hang a lot of information. So you will have to on Monday or Tuesday take down the notes on the basis of information which Sridharji provides, which are not in the PowerPoint slide itself, but which are related to the PowerPoint slide. And don't try to take down anything which is in the PowerPoint slide. Maybe in a week or 10 days time, you will get a printed booklet, which is actually a printout of all the slides which Sridharji will be using. So don't try to copy the slides. While he is presenting, just listen to him, and whatever doubts you have, raise it. And you will have a booklet which includes all the slides. And within a day or two after the class, go through the recording and take down your notes. Because what is in the PowerPoint slide, 10 times more information will be provided by Sridharji by word of mouth. Every week you will get a quiz or a problem to be solved. I would request each one of you to attempt the quiz, because it is those quizzes that complete the learning. In fact, your learning gets completed because while trying to solve the quiz, you will get a lot of doubts, and you will have to go back to your notes to sort of solve those doubts and find the answer to the quiz. So I would encourage each and every one of you to attempt those quizzes, because they actually complete the learning. And of course, the next classroom, the answers to the quizzes will be discussed, and the reasons will be explained on why that is the correct answer. The way the course is structured, out of the 100 hours that you will be spending, about 60 hours will be on theory. The other 40 hours will be on actually sort of practical. In our case, we took Sankshepa Ramayanam, took shloka by shloka, and in the 60 hours, whatever we learned, we applied on the shloka, and you saw the type of analysis we came out with. It fully extracted the meaning out of the shloka. Not only the meaning out of the shloka, the entire grammatical framework on which the shloka is standing. So it is those 40 hours that actually sort of ground the learning that took place in the initial 60 hours. And it roots the learning down in practice, and you actually get the feeling that this is just not a theoretical knowledge. I can actually put it into practice, and that's what this completes the circle, and this makes the course as great as we have found it to be. Friends, you are going to have an exhilarating experience. You are also going to have a tough time. But I would request you all to persist with the course, follow the type of discipline that I explained to you, and you will find at the end of it, your experience will be extremely, extremely rewarding. All the best to you, my friends. With this, I close my small talk